Dr. Raj!
Mailman MD, what are you doing here?
Express mail from one of your patients. Okay, your patient wants to know, can snoring make me feel sleepy during the day?
Now that is a very important question. So the most important thing is it snoring or is it what 20 million Americans have, which is obstructive sleep apnea? So when we talk about apnea, what does that mean? No flow. Flow of what? Oxygen in, carbon dioxide out. So people with sleep apnea can look like you and me. But back to my question, can snoring cause you to be sleepy during the day? The answer is yes. Why? Because of these multiple arousals throughout the night. And don't confuse arousal with awake. It means that you can't get to the deeper stages of sleep or REM sleep. If you can't get to those refreshing stages of sleep, you're going to have unrefreshing, lighter sleep. So snoring can definitely do it, but please, if you suspect sleep apnea, get a sleep study, not only in a lab, but maybe a home sleep study. And I'm Dr. Raj, educating you today for a better outcome tomorrow. Thanks, Mailman MD.